Hey guys, from time to time I will have clients who ask me how much does a mobile app cost and how much does a mobile app development cost. So from a mobile app patent cost, and mobile apps can vary. I would never initially recommend for them to get a patent on their mobile app because mobile apps change so often, even the same app, you're just updating. Therefore, getting a patent and doing that long, expensive process, I don't know if it's worth it. In my opinion, I would dissuade a potential client who would think about getting a mobile app patent from getting one, mainly because of the cost as well as the time. One of the things that I would warn them would be, even after you got it, it might not be useful to you at the time you got it because the technology would change. Maybe there's some new technology out there that makes the patent obsolete. Obviously, there are exceptions like Nokia's patents. Back in the day, they were extremely valuable to Samsung, Apple, and pretty much everyone after Nokia went under. And it's something that obviously they had really, really good patents on. So mobile app patents, mobile app development can cost anywhere between 10,000 to a $250,000, maybe $500,000 even. And if someone's going to spend $500,000, they might be like, oh well, what's $10, $15, $20,000 to me when I've already spent $500,000? I want to protect this app. But even in that case, again, apps change so often that getting a patent on an app is not that common. It's not typical. But if they wanted to get a patent, I think it would be anywhere between $15,000 to $25,000. So it's going to be much more expensive than the ordinary patent. Let's say a mechanical patent of some type, which is between $10,000 and $15,000. So maybe 20, 30,000. It's more complicated. Not only is it more complicated, but you have to find someone who's specifically good at mobile apps. And the same with software. We'll get into software a little later and how to pick a software patent attorney or patent agent, mainly because software is so difficult for ordinary patent attorneys. If you got a patent attorney and let's say they graduated, so all patent attorneys need to have a math or science or some type of technology background. Let's say they graduated with a biology degree. Unless they were really studying the code, the software, they're not going to be able to help you. They will accept your case, but they won't be able to help you because you need someone who is specifically specializes. And just like any doctors, when you have to hire a doctor whose specialty is cardiac or something, that will be much more expensive than a general physician doctor, right? Because all patent attorneys can do general stuff, but very few of them, or a smaller amount of them, can do something like a mobile app and something like software. Software is a little different. I would recommend patenting some software, but not all of it. And that's what you see more common is you see people patenting software maybe that's unique to the mobile app. But yeah, anyway, I would say it's anywhere between $15,000 to $30,000, probably closer to the $30,000 end for a mobile app patent. Bye guys.